61% of Gen Z feel lonely most of the time. Surrounded by people, posting stories, taking calls, yet still feeling invisible. This is loneliness in 2025. It's not always tears, it's, "I'm fine," with a quiet ache. But what if ancient wisdom could light the way? Meet Epicurus, who found joy in simple friendships, freedom, and intention. Let's rediscover his path together.
I'm surrounded by people, but I feel invisible. Work parties, group chats, my own place, still alone. Everyone says, "Let's hang," but it's empty. They say, "Join a club," go out. I'm drained. I want a real connection. Who are you, some mindfulness coach?
I am Epicurus. A good life is simple. Friendship, freedom, discipline. Let me share 3 steps to guide you.
Why do I feel so alone? I'm in group chats, at parties, all over Insta, but it's all fake. Nobody really knows me.
True friendship is not found in crowds or fleeting praise. It is that, the one soul who remains when you are most free. I taught that friendship is the soul's greatest joy. Not followers or renown, but a bond that sees you truly.
That sounds amazing, but it's rare. Everyone's too busy. Work, hustle, vibes. If I open up, will I seem clingy?
You are not excessive, you are human. True friends seek your essence, not a mask. Send a message. Speak. Say, "I long to see you." Meet simply over coffee, not for acclaim. 1 or 2 steadfast hearts suffice.
So I just hit him up, take the first step?
Indeed, offer the warmth you seek. Another will often answer in kind. Friendship blooms when you extend your hand.
I try to chill, but my brain's on overdrive. Doom scrolling, chasing goals, ghosted texts. I'm always behind. Gotta hustle more, post more, be more. It's crushing me.
The world pushes you to chase empty ones, fame, money, constant attention. It says you're not enough unless you stand out. But those things only steal your peace. I taught that freedom comes from simple needs. Food to eat, a place to rest, friends who listen without their phones. These bring a quiet, steady joy.
Just the basics. But if I stop grinding, won't I fade away? Get left behind?
What you fear losing isn't real. Choose what truly matters. A calm morning, a good laugh, a clear mind. Peace isn't dull, it's where life feels full.
I forgot how to just exist without stress.
Start with 1 slow breath, then another. Peace grows in those small moments. Listen and the noise will fade.
My head's a mess. FOMO, likes, scrolling. 65% of us feel trapped. I'm scared I'll fail if I don't keep up.
Peace comes from guiding your mind. Pause. Ask, is this want or fear worth my calm? Redirect your thoughts to true needs. I taught that reason tames restless thoughts. Not likes or trends, but what brings steady joy.
So I'm just overthinking everything, running after clout like it's rent money, and I don't even want it?
Indeed. Others' noise clouds your peace. Choose your own path. Simple, real. Master your mind and fear fades. You'll rest easy in your own heart.
I can just choose what to focus on?
Yes, 1 clear thought at a time. Discipline grows in small pauses. Begin now and find calm.
Stop scrolling. Start living. Epicurus's wisdom isn't just ideas, it's action. Here's how to begin. Step 1. Friendship. Text a friend today. Meet for coffee, not clout. Awkward? That's where real starts. Step 2. Freedom. List your shoulds. Work, posts, grind. Cross out what's fake. Keep what's simple, true. Step 3. Mental discipline. When stress hits, pause. Ask, is this worth my peace? Choose 1 calm thought to hold. These steps won't fix it all, but they shift you 1 real moment at a time.
I texted someone. We're chilling this weekend. I feel less alone already.
That is the heart of joy. Each true step restores peace. Yours to take, always.
No need for a louder feed. Seek a deeper bond. No need for chaos. Find a quieter peace. Friendship, freedom, mental discipline. Epicurus lit the path. Your move, start today. Comment your first step below and subscribe for more real talk.